Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings as you see here and you will click. Then in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of WhatsApp and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. And then here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us.